he's fulfilling the assignment, God's assignment.
Yeah.
Just because he's being faithful to his call. When we are being faithful to our call. And that result in being tired and exhausted and wanting to give up. But I'm here today to tell you, get up, eat. There's a journey ahead for you. There's no time to feel sorry for yourself. Wow. I said I'm not going to preach again. You can't be anointed, and still become exhausted. You can't be gifted, but still be exhausted. You can't be a great worshipper, but still you can't be exhausted. Elijah had just called down fire from heaven. Yesterday, Elijah, unaludimata. Aliba profeta bapahal. Ari khubona. Ikari mutimo wa ruluna o robetse. Mara ke batla re bontsha hore wa ka ha robala wa phela. Ke batla emong le emong a bitse go modimo wa gagwe. Ha modimo a theositse mollo, a arabile ka mollo. The true God, ki e arabileng ka mollo. It is just immediately after that. Wathi ka kufika kuye behlulekile abakabhala, wathi nkang di Emirates metsi li telepathy. Then arapela ho modimo a theola mollo. Wachisa patsi li sacrifice emate. Elijah after a theositse mollo, but he became weary, afraid, and exhausted. I'm telling you, but there is a time for fatigue.